Does this look like 3D tiles to you? No, it's not. These are 3D leather panels.
Made from faux leather, these panels are embossed or stitched to create a 3D pattern, offering both beauty and a tactile experience. 3D leather panels feature a variety of designs including geometric shapes, waves, and abstract forms. They're also available in a wide range of colors from classic leather shades to neutral tones. There are two types of 3D leather panels, one flexible and the other non-flexible with a PVC backing. Flexible leather panels offer versatility for curved surfaces like headboards and rounded furniture, enhancing aesthetics with their adaptability. Non-flexible panels with a PVC backing provide added durability and structure, perfect for flat wall application. The backing helps in easy installation and is commonly used for feature walls in living rooms, bedrooms, and family areas. Leather has natural sound dampening qualities, and the 3D textures of these panels can further enhance their acoustic properties. This makes them a practical choice for spaces where noise reduction is required. And if you're in the market for 3D panels or any other interior design materials, don't forget to check out Material Depot at HSR.